Hey, this is Attorney Judith Montgomery, and today is May 30th, 2025. And for over 500,000 people who came in through the Biden Humanitarian Parole program, the U.S. Supreme Court has indicated that the Trump administration is allowed to begin removal proceedings for those individuals. So today is a sad day. It's a sad day for, I think, most immigration attorneys around the country who have been fighting and helping all of these people find legal status, find a legal pathway to stay in the United States. And today, the Supreme Court put a nail in that coffin. And so I knew in November that this would be the outcome, and was very fearful of what that would look like for folks from Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. And here we go. So even though they entered in through a legal program into the United States, the High Court, in one paragraph, and gave no explanation, by the way, said that they are lifting an earlier ruling from the district judge who had blocked the administration's mass cancellation of these programs. So you will now lose your work permits, and you will now face imminent deportation. The only option that you have is to apply for asylum or similar protections if you qualify. If you don't qualify, then you should anticipate that they will deport you. They will deport you. And you have now been given 30 days to leave the United States, is what we're being told by the Homeland Security Secretary. And that's where we are today. So I'm at a loss for words. I'm usually someone that has a lot to say, but today I don't really have a lot to say. I don't have any faith in this country. I don't have faith in the Trump administration. I have lost faith in the U.S. Supreme Court. This is the most biased Supreme Court that I've ever seen. They have been bought, they have been paid for, and yeah. But I am a believer. I am a prayer, and I understand that retribution comes from the Lord, and that's where we are today. So if you are one of the 500,000, notice I didn't mention Cubans. I know that Cubans are also in that number of 500,000, but most Cubans are able to find a pathway to the United States, and so that's why I did not mention them. But Haitians, Nicaraguans, and Venezuelans do not have that option that the Cubans have, and so this message is directed for those folks. I advise you to file for asylum. I advise you to contact our office if you are seeking support and assistance. We have lowered our fees to help more people file for asylum that need it. We obviously can't do your case at zero, right? We have to be compensated, but we have lowered the fee to assist folks who need to file. And that's where we are. All right? So give our office a call, 678-601-5580. And I'll also be going live to answer any questions that people may have today in light of this decision that has just come down by the Supreme Court today. Have a good one, guys.